Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add Gmail signature from your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Gmail account. So I just want to compose the file means it will be there is no signature over here. So how to signature in my Gmail from your mobile phone. So on your top you will find option called three buttons. So just hit the three buttons. You will have all inbox, primary emails, everything will be there. So just scroll down, you will get option called settings. Once you go to settings option, if you log in with a different kind of account means it will show you. So just choose the account, which account you want to add a signature. I just choose the account. I just scroll down, you will have a mobile signature will be there. So mobile signature not set over here. So now I just want to set the mobile signature. What is the my mobile signature? For example, thank you and regards, or anything else you can give. So thank you and regards, and you can give your name and enter. So just give a next line, and you can give your mobile numbers, and so your company name, so HowXT technology or anything else I just want to type, and just click one more lines to give my address, locations, everything I can put. So I can give my contact numbers and everything I can give according to my needs, and I just click OK. So my signature has been set over here, as you see here. So my signature has been set over here. So I just go back. So I just want to compose the email. So some emails I just want to compose mean automatically the mobile signature will be added over here, as you see here. So that from my mobile itself I can able to type and I can able to send means with the signature it will come. So the signature will be there. So I can use enter. I can give whatever the content I want. I can give the basic content. I can send to my clients or my students or my teachers, everything. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option to create your mobile signature. So just go to settings option. You can remove the settings also. For example, I just want to remove the mobile signature. I just select and delete all the things means it will be removed from your entire signature part. So just go back and just compose. There is no signatures. There is a two both options. You can add or delete your signature. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.